you buy this as a present for somebody, they will really appreciate it because it's a really nice present. Hi everybody, how you guys doing? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I hope you guys are doing amazingly. So I hope you guys are getting into the Christmas groove, the Christmas spirit. I'm just here to share some gift ideas that you can give to people this period. Recently I went to TK Maxx. Oh my god, look at my goodie. I went to TK Maxx to buy some stuff from TK Maxx and some shops in town. So I just thought, why not share some Christmas present idea with you guys. This video to be too long, so let's just dive right into this video. So basically, Boots really do like really nice sanctuary products. So they do like some gift ideas for Christmas. So it's like a package. So you could have a bit of like body scrub. This is salt scrub. So I think this one came with a set, so it's a really nice set. So I'm really trying to look after their skin so well. So buy like a salt scrub or even sugar one is really nice. It's a nice present to give. And this one from Century, for example, it smells so nice. I really like this one. It really works for me. When I use this, my skin definitely glow. It really exfoliates my skin so well. And guys, it smells divine. This smells so nice. So this is one of my like, if you're struggling for Christmas present for your friends, for your mom, for your sister, anybody, even your husband yourself, this is a very good present to give. I don't really know how much this costs now, but I don't really know how much it costs at the moment, but it's not that expensive. I would definitely recommend that for a nice Christmas present for someone. And another great thing, again, this is a Dior. This is Dior perfume. This is really good. I haven't even unboxed this one, so I know I did in one of my haul. I did a Dior, was it the Bloomy or something like that, one of my Dior collection. So I haven't unboxed this one, but this is a really nice Christmas present that you can buy for your wife, for your sister, for your mother, and everything. And it's really, and it is already in a really nice cute package. And yeah, this is really super cool. So I haven't unboxed this, like I said, it's still new. And this is the Eau de Parfum. So this is a really nice one. I think I've used one of this before. It smells so nice. So I would definitely recommend something like this. And this is the 100 ml too. You don't need to spray a lot of this. You just spray a little bit and it goes a long way. And another thing that I bought is this really nice hydration boost. You know guys, nowadays ladies, nobody wants to get old. We don't want to get wrinkled. So the nice present to buy for ladies this time, for me basically this period that I figured out, I thought skincare will go a long way because everybody's looking for that perfect thing that will take wrinkles, that will take ages away. Why not try like skincare? So when I saw this, I was just like, I read about it. It has eye serum. Who wouldn't like eye serum? You know, those saggy eyes. Nobody wants saggy eyes, so we want all those things to disappear. You know, in the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. So when I saw that, I was just like, oh my God, this is a really nice present to give to somebody. That will really hydrate the skin, that will put the face together. And for most ladies, they will definitely love present like that because everybody's working towards like that perfect skin. And yeah, serum is always good. You know, I don't often buy serum, but if somebody should give me a nice serum, I'll definitely put it on as well as my facial cream. So that's why I thought this would be like a safety. It's not like you're buying their face cream for them, but you're just buying something that will enhance their skin. Like serum is like a safe one. They could apply their serum before applying their face cream. So that is a very good one. So yeah, that is a very good present to buy for somebody if you're struggling to buy something. So look into facial and beauty category for females. I think even for me as well, I think that is a safe bet. So another thing that I would definitely recommend, guys, what is in my bag is a nice candle. It's a beautiful candle. I love candles. I love the smell of candles. But you know what? People smells are varies. You know, people smells varies. So when you're buying candles, you need to be really certain what you buy. You don't want something that is too strong because some people will just literally throw up. So just know what you're buying. Like this one is pomegranate and cassis. So when I smell it, the smell is not strong, and pomegranate as well. It smells so divine. This is really nice. Kind of like candle in winters. I go through a lot of candles in the winter because I like my house to be like really nice. I like the smell of candles, like really nice fragrant candle. It just makes the place more cozier. So candle is a really nice gift to give this time of the year as well. So yeah, this is a nice present. I really like this one. So the next on my list is like a facial brush like this. I just saw it, I was just like, oh wow, this is really nice present to give to somebody, because everybody wants to look glowy, glammy, and really wants to have healthy and clean skin. Then I thought, why not a facial cleansing brush system? So I thought about it, and I went to TK Maxx for this. They're quite reasonable. Then I would definitely recommend this. I think this one, I don't know if this was from TK Maxx or Boots. So they're quite reasonable in TK Maxx. You can look into it. It's a really nice present to buy for your sister, your mother, your best friend. Who else again? Yeah, it's a really nice present to buy for somebody if you're stuck and you don't really know what to buy. This is the one. You know what, guys, because these days, you know, most ladies, we are allergic to wrinkles, so we don't really want those wrinkling lines. Nobody wants to get old. We want to keep it going somehow. So look into beauty. Most women, they're happy with things like this. So yeah, let me see what I mean. So that is a really cute present to buy for somebody. So basically, guys, this is a really nice oil. This is like cocoa oil. This is like coconut oil, and you know, like coconut product is like a super product these days. Yeah, this is a beautiful product. I saw it in the pack. This is organic as well. I saw it in the pack, like, so I was just like, oh, this is really nice. If somebody should give me something like this, I would definitely put coconut oil all over my face, my neck, my body, because I want that coconut glow, if you see what I mean. Even my hair as well, I'll put coconut everywhere. My smelling of coconut, as long as it's giving me that coconut glow and everything, taking the wrinkles off, I am good with that. So this is the perfect present to buy for somebody if you know that you have a friend that is into beauty. This one is for face, body and hair. So when I read it and they said it's for face, body and hair, I was just like, what a perfect gift to give to somebody this time of the year. Another thing I would definitely recommend is to even buy jumper. If your family members live in the UK or Europe, America, like cold country, jumpers is always like a safe thing to buy for people this time of the year, because they could style it how they like, and you know, you can easily put it on with jeans and all that, they're ready to go. So you just need to know the sizes of the people, and they would definitely like jumpers. I do like jumpers as present, but it should be a bit stylish, if you see what I mean. So yeah, let me just dig into my bag. People that live in cold countries, you could always think about buying gloves, scarf. I like gloves and I like scarf as well, because we do use that all the time. And a cute little bunny hat, you know, with the one with the pom-pom, that is a great, you could buy a set. Actually, you could get a set. That's a great present to buy for some people. They really like things like that. For me, I certainly like something like that, because girl, it gets so cold sometimes. You do need your gloves and your scarf and your hat. So that's a great present to buy for somebody if you're struggling this time of the year. I have this amazing, this is serum too. So this serum has 24 karat gold in it. And who wouldn't like 24 karat gold this time of the year to nourish their skin, to plump that skin? Remember, we are allergic to wrinkles. 1 pump of the serum on clean face, neckline and neck. In the evening, wait until it adds up before you apply your night cream. Do you know? So this is a very nice present to buy for somebody. It's not because we have wrinkles or anything, but like most females these days, we don't want to get old. You know, we don't want to get old. So buying a nice serum, nice skin product, I think it really helps. Sorry guys, my alarm is just going off. Most people will like things like that. Another good present that you can buy for a teenager, before I forget, I really like this, is this sweatshirt. You can see my one. Let me stand up a bit. You can see this one. It's really cute. I really like this one. This is from Primark. This was just like 5 quid or something like that. It wasn't anything expensive, but it's a really nice thing. I find myself putting this sweatshirt on all the time at home. So I just like literally love it. You could go to Primark, you could get something like this, wrap it neatly, give it to somebody. They would definitely appreciate it. You know, at home you want to keep warm, especially when you live in a warm country. This is one of the things that I put on, and I feel so snug. Cute little like earrings like that. I don't know if you can see. It's a little cute. This is like silver, and it's a really cute star earring that you can give to a friend, a family member, or anybody, you know, that you can give to somebody this time of the year. This is very cute. When I saw it, I was just like, oh wow, this will make a beautiful present for somebody. And yeah, you don't need to break the bank as well. This is silver, and they could use it for years with good maintenance, you know. So yeah, men as well. It's a nice bottle of red wine or white wine or even champagne. You can get some really nice, really enjoyable bottle of wine that you can give to your husband or your father or anything. And a really nice socks for men. Men do like their socks. You can give socks. And crucial for men and women, another thing that is so nice again that you can give is like slippers. Indoor slippers goes a long way. People do like their indoor slippers. I do like a nice fluffy slippers. The ultimate thing that you can give to somebody this time of the year is a really nice box of chocolate or biscuits, because this is the time that we all eat a lot of chocolate because we're celebrating the birth of the Lord Jesus Christ. So it's Christmas, we don't feel guilty eating, merry, drinking and everything. So box of chocolate always make a perfect gift. For a man, for a woman, for a teenager, for a little girl, anybody, a nice chocolate always goes a long way. So basically that's the end of this Christmas gift idea. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope I've made sense doing this video, showing you guys some ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, everybody, have a good Christmas. Bye bye. See you in my next